Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best carving knives on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Mercer Culinary M23011 Millennia 11-inch Granton edge slicer. If you want an option that will go easy on your wallet yet still get the job done, you really can't beat the price for this Mercer Culinary knife. If you aren't carving and slicing a ton of protein, there's no need to shell out a ton of money for a decorative knife set that you will rarely use. The 11-inch, high-carbon steel blade boasts a Granton edge so that food will easily pull away from the blade as you're slicing. The polypropylene handle is ergonomic and comfortable, making this knife a great option for beginner cooks as it's super easy to hold and use. The test blade was sharp upon arrival, but our tester felt it could use just a little extra honing for the best performance. This was good for slicing turkeys during testing, but because of the rounded tip it wasn't as good for tasks like removing the breast meat from the carcass. It's not dishwasher safe, but washing by hand was easy enough during testing. While our tester recommends sharpening upon arrival, this knife should hold its edge as well as other kitchen knives. Overall, our tester found this to be a great option for a budget carving knife. Number 2. Our second best pick is WÜSTHOF Classic 2-piece hollow edge carving set. If you're simply in the market for a carving knife for the big day, Thanksgiving, this 2-piece set that includes both a knife and a fork is going to make carving a breeze. The high-carbon stainless steel blade is super sharp, making it ideal for carving the toughest, hardest to reach meat off the bones of your Thanksgiving turkey. The 8-inch knife comes with a triple riveted, synthetic handle for absolute firm support, balance, and comfort when carving deeply into a turkey. While it may not be as aesthetically pleasing as Packawood, the classic black handle has its own charm. The included 6-inch, 2-pronged fork helps guide the carving knife away from your hands and efficiently slice large birds, and when serving, it's perfect for holding each piece in place. Our tester noted that the fork tines were much shorter than others, but it wasn't a detriment, they were plenty long to hold the meat securely. In testing, the knife and fork worked really well together and felt well balanced. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hammer Stahl Carving Knife and Fork Set. If you want to make a purchase that includes both a knife and fork, this set is a great option, and the box it comes in makes the set great for gifting. Opting for a knife and fork set is a great choice for beginners if you're worried about your protein slipping or moving around while you're trying to slice through it. Made with high-quality German carbon steel, this is a durable set of tools that will last you a long time. The Packawood handles are designed for comfort and longevity so that every time you pick up the knife, it's comfortable and feels natural. Because of the way that the blade is forged, this knife is extremely durable and is sure to last you through many, many years of heavy usage. Our tester thought the blade could have arrived sharper, but that's certainly easy enough to fix. And let's be honest here, some cooks don't want a super sharp knife. Another thing to note is that both the knife and fork are very heavy, giving them a feel of quality. In testing, we didn't find the weight a detriment, but some users might prefer lighter utensils. It worked well slicing a turkey but wasn't quite as smooth as some of the sharper knives we tested. If you're giving this as a gift, our tester definitely recommends sharpening beforehand. The elegant design and quality feel, though, will ensure a happy recipient. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Shun DM0720 Classic 9-inch hollow ground knife. For the best of the best, you can't go wrong with Shun, a classic, top-of-the-line Japanese knife brand. This hollow ground, 9-inch blade is an absolute pro when it comes to navigating all different types of proteins and cuts. Its sleek look, unrivaled durability, and incredibly sharp blade make it a tool that you're going to be excited to pull out for your next roasted bird or tenderloin. In testing, the knife felt well balanced and made clean cuts with ease. Not only did we like it with freshly cooked turkey, it also excelled when making super thin slices for sandwiches the next day. The small dimples along the blade make it easy for food such as smoked salmon or brisket to pull away when slicing. The stylish Packawood handle is designed for consistent and heavy use. It's made from hardwood with resin to protect against unwanted water or moisture damage. It's Number 5. Our fifth best pick is TUO Meat and Amp Carving Forks Knife. This knife is certainly unique with a fork tip for serving or moving meat, a serrated edge toward the tip, and a straight edge toward the handle. Speaking of handles, this one is comfortable to hold, and it's attractive. During testing, it took a little time to get used to the knife's features, but our reviewer came to appreciate the different edges, and liked using the fork tip to stab slices to move them to a serving plate. When cutting long slices of turkey, our tester would have preferred a completely straight edge, but when making the first cuts through turkey skin, the serrated part of the blade bit in and made a good cut without tearing the skin. It would be even better for barbecue, using the serrated portion to get through the bark and the straight part of the blade to finish the cuts. There's definitely a bit of a learning curve with this knife, and it might not be for everyone, but if you do a lot of smoking, you'll find it useful. This doesn't include a carving fork, but one is available if a matched set is desired. Our tester hand washed this easily, but she did warn that sharpening will be a bit tricky due to the two different edges. You'll definitely want to sharpen by hand as opposed to using an electric sharpener because of the serrated edges. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.